how to add stories on Messenger. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add stories on Messenger. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger app. Now all you have to do is tap on this plus icon right here. As you can see, it's written create story. Tap on this plus icon and select the story from your gallery. You can also tap on this camera and click the story right at the moment. But if you want to share from your gallery, just scroll to your gallery and choose the one you want to add the story. Let me choose one. Okay, once you have chosen it, you can also edit it from here. You can add the text from here, and you can also add music to it like this from here. Now once you add music and everything, tap on this add to story like this. As you can see, your story has been updated. Okay, now if you want to view your story, simply tap on this icon right here, your profile icon, and your story is just added. And that's it. This is how you can add your stories on Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.